Hello, Rockwell Matrix partners. My name is Jim Mansfield. I'm the Senior Manager for Matrix Technologies' Manufacturing Intelligence Division. Matrix specializes in engineering, automation, manufacturing intelligence, and EPC services. We serve multiple markets, including food and beverage, wine and spirits, pharma, biotech, chemical, oil and gas, CPG, metals and mining, aggregates. Matrix has single source engineering and turnkey capability for any capital project, including process and facility design, automation, and manufacturing intelligence systems. Our strengths are our fundamentals. Our people and our differentiator is the Matrix way, meaning collaborative, consistent, and committed to our client's project and program success. We're excited this year to be working closely with Rockwell Automation and expanding our controls, our plant PAX, process visualization, batch systems, and manufacturing intelligence with a focus on digital transformation. Over 85% of Matrix Technologies' annual revenue comes from repeat work with our partnering clients based on collaborative approaches to delivery excellence and the trusted relationships that we've built over years. The solutions that Matrix delivers addresses and solves our clients' most vigorous business challenges, goals, initiatives, and needs. Our partnership with Rockwell Automation is a significant part of our client's success and therefore Matrix Technology's success. We're excited to see where the future takes the Matrix and Rockwell partnership.